kindergarten.
Oh no, I'm all messy.
What happened? Who's crying? Katie, what happened? Why are you crying? You're supposed to be sleeping.
I wanted to draw, but now I'm all messy.
Kids, it's time to wake up. Let's go, freshen up.
No.
Don't worry, Katie. I will help you out. We'll clean it up, okay? But look at that. It's so beautiful. The flower, so pretty.
Thank you, Ganushka. I'm awake, and you know what? I had a great dream about soap bubbles.
Well, your dream might come true, but first, you have to wake up your friends.
Yay, okay. Oh, Leo. Hello, wakey, wakey. Okay. Lala, Sydney, wake up, fast, now. Oh, I sleep so good.
Looks like everybody's here. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of you are here. Yay!
Yes, but why does Katie look like that? Well, that's because I'm an artist, and this is how artists look.
Okay, it's time for us to get cleaned up. Let's all go to the bathroom.
Yay! Now it's time for me to brush my long hair. Look at my teeth, all cleaned and white.
Good job, Leo. Now it's time for Katie. Look, your face is all cleaned up. Oh, we have hands left.
Look at my hair, all cleaned up and straight.
Good job, Bella. Look, Katie's already up and ready to play.
Oh no, there is something on her dress. I think it's paint.
Oh, it's okay. We have a washing machine. Let's wash up your clothes. This is a big stain. Before we put it in the washing machine, first we have to rinse it with our hands. Sydney, can you give me the stain remover?
Yeah, sure. Let me grab it.
Oh, thank you. So, let me show you guys how to remove a stain. First, we take the stain remover. We put some on a stain. We let it sit for 5 minutes. And then we wash it in the water. Look, the stain is gone. Now, all we have to do is put it in the washing machine.
Oh, wait. We have some more stuff left. Let's put these two in the washing machine.
Well, first, we have to separate it by color. Pink, yellow, green, black. You see, all of these are colorful, so we can put them together. But black? No, we cannot put them with the other colors. So let's wash this later.
Is it necessary to wash all the colored things together?
Yes, it's necessary to wash the colored clothes together and not with the black ones, because black ones can stain the other clothes. And to wash all these clothes, we need detergent. While the washing machine is washing, let me brush your hair.
And for me.
Yeah, sure, Sydney.
Whoa.
Hair needs daily care. You should brush your hair every day.
Ouch. Oh my god, look! Soap bubbles! Oh my god, look! So many soap bubbles!
Oh, yes! And that reminds me, soap bubbles! Let me try some out.
Look at those bubbles, so fun.
Well, you guys keep playing with soap bubbles, and I will make some porridge for you. And when I come back, let's take the clothes out of the machine.
Oh, don't worry, Kanishka. I will take the clothes out. I will do everything. So many bubbles! Yay!
It's time to make some porridge. Let's put this on the stove. Let's grab some milk. Now it's time to add some baby food. Looks like it's done. Okay, it's all ready. Kids, come on up.
Oh, it's all done. Can I take the clothes out? Katie, look! Your dress has no stain on it anymore. It's so clean. Oh, let me look. Oh, wow! No stain at all. You look like a new dress. I'm hungry. Where's Kanishka? Is the food ready? I want to eat so bad.
Oh, it's ready. This is yours. This is yours. This is yours. And Leo, this is yours. Enjoy your meals. Well, that's all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!